Welcome to Session 12, the last one. You now know every area formula the GED can ask for. The final skill isn't another formula, it's choosing the right one under time pressure. So select from visible evidence, not a hunch. 4 right angles, rectangle, length times width. 4 equal sides, square, s squared. 3 sides with a perpendicular height, triangle, 1/2 BH. 2 pairs of parallel sides, parallelogram, BH. 1 pair, trapezoid, 1/2 B1 plus B2 times H. A radius or diameter, circle, pi r squared. Several regions, decompose, then add or subtract. Before you touch the calculator, say one sentence. The target is area. The shape is blank. The formula is blank. The dimensions I need are blank. 10 seconds. Because nearly every avoidable error comes from calculating before deciding what you're calculating. Let's run a mix set fast. A triangle, base 16, height 9. 1/2 of 16 times 9, 72. A circle with diameter 12. Have it to radius 6, 36 pi, about 1/13. A trapezoid, bases 8 and 14, height 5. Average 11 times 5, 55. A composite, 15 by 10 minus a 6 by 4 opening, 126. 4 shapes, 4 formulas, same routine. The answer choices are talking to you if you listen after you solve. For a triangle with base 10 and height 6, the choices might be 16, 30, 32, and 60. 30 is right. 60 is the missing 1/2. 16 added the base and height. 32 is perimeter flavored. Recognizing a trap can confirm your work. Estimation is your fastest filter when choices are far apart. A circle with radius just under 10 has an area a little over 300. So reject 30 and 3000 instantly without computing anything. If your exact answer lands nowhere near your estimate, one of them is wrong. Calculator discipline. Write the expression before you enter it. For a trapezoid, put the parentheses in deliberately. For a circle, square the radius, not the result of pi times r. If the display doesn't match your written work, re-enter it. Timing. First pass. Solve everything you have an immediate plan for. If a diagram is still unclear, mark it and move on. Second pass. Annotate, eliminate impossible choices, try another decomposition. All your time on one hard question can cost you several easy ones. When you review, sort mistakes by category, not question number. Target, perimeter instead of area. Shape, wrong formula. Dimension, diameter as radius or a slant as height. Structure, overlaps or a missed opening. Algebra, unit, and context errors round out the list. 3 misses in one category is a pattern, not bad luck. 1 capstone. A recreation area is a 30 by 18-foot rectangle with a semicircle attached along the 18-foot side. A 6 by 4 storage pad gets no turf. Rolls cover 50 square feet. The semicircle's diameter is that 18-foot side, so the radius is 9. Rectangle, 540. Semicircle, half of 3.14 times 81 is 127.17. Subtract the pad, 643.17 square feet. Divide by 50, 12.86. Round up, 13 rolls. Let's recap the whole course. Area is unit squares covering a region, and every formula came from that idea. Identify the shape, mark the dimensions, write the formula, substitute with units, calculate, and check the answer is reasonable and squared. That routine is the entire subject. That's the course. You started by counting squares on a grid, and you can now handle any area question the GED puts in front of you. Mixed shapes, missing sides, conversions, and cost. Go and get that pass. You've earned it.